Wanna see more? Say yeah!
Yay!
The show is not over! More, say yeah!
Yay!
Hey kid, open your legs and fold your arms like this. Are you from Hawaii? Where you from? San Diego. Hey, how old are you? 5? When I was 5, I was your age. Everybody, the kid is our future.
Future!
Me and the kid are gonna do a move for you.
Yeah.
But they're not gonna make noise for us.
No.
They're gonna make noise for you.
That's right.
Cause you're a superstar. Superstar. Everybody, make some noise for the kid.
Kanoa!
Oh my God, no. No, no. Oh my God, no. Oh my God, no. Make some real noise for the kids! We are trained professionals.
Uh-huh.
That's why we work on the street.
Yeah.
Okay. The kid is our future.
Future!
So make the kid feel good. Anything he does, make noise for him. Anything he do, make noise, and then we'll go to a higher level.
Higher level!
A way higher level than this.
Way higher!
We call it Wiz Khalifa.
High as hell.
That's high as hell.
Little fear in the face, okay? Okay, dog, little fear in the face. Yeah,
Hey,
that's
sir,
good.
get your own show. Stop trying to take my job.
Stop trying to take my nephew. It's all good, it's all good.
You work for me now?
Yeah, well, I'm putting you on YouTube.
Oh, you are?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hey, wait. If you put it on YouTube, please put the name of our group.
_
Style Pros. Don't put black guys dancing.